So continuing from the previous lecture, I'm going to offset this by projecting the existing heart and just see to it that it lies somewhere outer and inner side of the existing cam followers that are adjacent to it. So I'm going to extrude it now and I'm giving a distance of 3 mm. I'm going to repeat the same procedure for other followers also. So you can see the procedure again. I'm going to project this heart and then I'm going to offset it. See to it that the rods are not seen. When we are going to make this heart symbol, it should be covering those circles. And then while extruding, you have to select that circle also so that we don't get this hole. So let's repeat the same thing for all the others so that each heart protrusion lies on symmetric to followers. So 2 more left. So now I have this complete set ready. But here, if you see, I'm going to edit this middle feature and going to say new body so that that is a separate body. Similarly, all these other heart shapes which I've created, they should be as separate bodies. So I'm going to edit all the features. Now we have mini bodies, but we know that these two things are going to be one body. So we are going to use the combine option from the modify toolbar and say these two should be joined. So these two now are one body. Let us add an appearance to this. Go to paint. A is the shortcut for appearance. And when you get this box, just add that color. Then click close. And just see which other bodies we can combine these two. Here you can select and from the browser you can understand which body it is. So I'm going to select body 9. So if it is a little bit of confusion, we can keep adding colors to those bodies, same color, so that it is easier for us to choose. So for this I have added green, and for the last one also it should be green, and for this body also. So now it is easier for me to select them for combine. So these three parts should be converted into one body by using join option. Then click OK. Similarly, all these bodies also we can combine. So the reason we are combining all these is when they are converted into single bodies, I'll be able to convert them into component. And these components will later be exported, which we will see in the next lecture. So currently, let's just concentrate on combining these things. So I'm doing this quickly.